In this video, we're going to be looking at the backpedal drill, which is an awesome running drill. It's essentially just running backwards. So in this position, we can do it in a number of ways. We can stay low in athletic stance and almost shuffle backwards. Remember, in a lot of sports, athletes are going to have to move backwards while keeping their eyes on the opponents. So we can get quite low and shuffle. Or we can be a little bit higher and go a lot faster. From there, we can even turn it quite plyometric, where we're jumping off the ball of the foot. So there's lots of different ways we can incorporate this drill, and we can gradually increase the intensity. Now, when we are running backwards, there's a lot of emphasis on the quads, because the quads are working hard to extend the knee, especially if we run rearwards or backwards up a hill. Quads are working really hard to extend the knee. So it is a great drill to warm up these muscles and therefore the knees. One more time in this position, just shuffling back the back pedal. So let's take a quick look at this drill in an outdoor setting.